One of the most interesting things about using real data and then trying to fit equations to it is that it doesn't usually fit a single function perfectly. We can find curves that approximate it, but it's probably not going to be a completely 100% perfect fit. So let's see how that fit changes depending on which points here we decide to base our function off of. Here, for example, is the graph that we would get if we use the first 2 points on our chart to create an exponential graph. So what would this graph predict the population to be in the year 2013? Considering the scale on our graph here, it probably seems like it's pretty tricky to predict that. But luckily, Desmos is here to help. You'll find a link to this exact graph in the instructor comments on this question. Click on the link and then this graph will pop up. Once it does, you can take your mouse and then touch a point on the curve. From there, you can drag it and select what x value you want. And from there, you can see what y value corresponds to it. Remember that this graph measures the year on the x-axis, and it shows the world population in billions of people on the y-axis. Now, once you've figured out what this graph says the population will be in 2013, can you tell me if this is an accurate prediction? Think about what the population actually became by the year 2013 and see if this is the same thing. If you want to, you can also use Google to search for world population in 2013.